So today we are going to be taking a first look at the brand new XP Icon and Icon X metal detectors, and we're going to be unboxing them, and I'm going to walk you through some of the new features and controls. Let's go. So as you can see, assembly is quick and straightforward, and in just a few minutes your machine is fully set up and ready to go. So one of the first things you will notice is just how light and well balanced this metal detector is. At only 710 grams, including the 28 centimeter coil, long sessions will become far less tiring. XP have introduced a new charging system for the coil, and it's designed to be simple and practical in everyday use. Both detectors now use USB-C connectivity. And to access the connector, simply press the front button to unlock the protective cap. We have also introduced a stronger remote support system across the whole range. You can easily identify the updated version with the PA20% FV marking. Mounting and removing the remote is very easy, but it's important to use the correct gesture. Now, with your thumb underneath the remote, it simply slides forward and off. You can clearly hear and feel the locking click when it's properly secured. We now offer a brand new V support, which gives you multiple setup options depending on your own preference. You can position it under the armrest for wall support, under the handle for ground support, or remove it entirely for a much cleaner setup. The anti-glare screen now features scratch-resistant protection, and it's fully interchangeable with all language versions available. For even more flexibility, the remote can also be worn on the armband support, allowing completely wireless operation. The Icon and Icon X are fully waterproof up to 5 meters with the bone conduction headphones, giving you complete confidence in wet conditions, rivers, beaches, and difficult terrain. Even though the detector offers advanced performance, the menu structure remains clean, fast, and really easy to learn. The interface is designed to stay simple and intuitive. The first main menu gives you access to the programs. Changing programs in the field is fast and very straightforward with a single button press. The second section contains your main detection settings. The third section gives you access to additional options and customization, such as audio control, brightness, and pairing of accessories. We have kept the controls easy to understand without overwhelming the user with unnecessary complexity. Now we've had a look at the menu structure, let's go and see how these machines behave on some real field conditions. Well, look at that. We've just gone and found our very first find with the Icon today, and it looks like it's part of a little buckle. Now, what was interesting about this is the machine was telling us it was a nice clear 76 signal, and did you notice just how clean and precise you could hear it? If there's something in the ground, this machine will alert you quickly. Now take a listen to this ferrous unwanted tone. Note how it's deeper and lower as opposed to the previous target, which was higher and brighter, meaning that it's just an iron target. And there we go, just as expected, it's just a piece of an old horseshoe. But of course we wanted to dig it out to confirm that it is indeed an unwanted target. Take a listen to this very subtle morphing effect. The closer we are to the target, the more you can hear it, meaning this one is close to the top. Well, it's either a button or a coin, this one, and I'm not really too sure as to which one. But of course, that was why we got such a mid-conducting tone. It's a very thin target, and the best part is we knew exactly how far we had to dig to find it. So there's a few targets with the XP Icon X, but now let's swap over to the Icon and see how well this machine performs. The Icon offers the same performance as the Icon X. With 3 programs to select, let's start by using the field program. Well, looks like this one's just turned out to be a modern coin, but we were able to pinpoint it precisely with the XP Icon, especially if we've got our MI6 pinpointer paired. Notice how when we move closer to the object, the sound becomes more consistent. We can also adjust the volume very easily by pushing the minus or plus key. So there was a target using the field program, but I just found out that this field used to be a camping spot, and so I think it's a perfect contender for the park program, which is designed for much more trashier areas. Sometimes in built-up areas or tricky environments, it's important to adjust your sensitivity up and down. Luckily on the Icon it's simple to do simply by pressing the minus button to go down or the plus button to go up. It goes up to a value of 25. Well, looks like this is just part of an old aluminium ring pull, so it's definitely a trashy area, but it gave us a nice clear tone, and that could easily have been something gold. So now we've seen both detectors in action, let's have a little look at a quick comparison between each one. The Icon is more affordable. It has fewer programs and simplified adjustments, and it also has a slightly different control box. The Icon X is a more advanced version. It has expanded program selections, a wider adjustment range, and a full feature configuration. The Icon is designed as a simpler and more affordable option, while the Icon X offers additional programs, expanded adjustment ranges, and a slightly different control box for users who want maximum flexibility. Both Icon machines stay true to XP's philosophy. They're both lightweight, fully wireless, and easy to use. Thanks very much for joining me. I'll see you out in the field next time.